Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to clean the data or transform the data in Power BI. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to transform or clean data to generate Power BI visual. So you can see this Excel has multiple header. First header contains Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. And the second header we have repeated column, bike, accessories and miscellaneous. If you will not clean this data, you won't be able to generate any visual. So first we clean the data on Power Query Editor. So let's start the Power BI desktop. Here we will click the Get Data. Now select the multiple label spreadsheet. Now here select the sheet 1 and click on transform data. Now you can see the data has been loaded and Power BI has taken first column as a header which has city name. First what we have to do, on applied step we will remove change type and promoted headers. Now Power BI has created header column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now we will start the cleaning process. First we will go to transform tab and you can see a whole lot of option here. Even you can see you can run Python script from here. Here we will use transpose option to change the row to column and column to row. The transpose option you often use in Excel. You can see years become first row here. Now we will change the first row as a header. For that we will do it from right click on the column and you will find a lot of option here. You can see first row as a header or you can do it from transform tab. Now you can see the first row become headers. Now you can see there is a null in column 1. We must fix this. In order to fix, first we will select column 1. Click on the fill under the transform tab. This option down and up. Here you can see first row contains city. You will select down. Now you can see the Power BI has automatically filled the null. We will change the name of column 1 to city and column 2 to category. Now you can see the repeated data here. Now I want one column should be year and second column value. In order to do that, we will select data from year 2014 till 2022. Now you can see the option pivot and unpivot columns. Here we will select the unpivot columns. We will change the attribute to year. You can see here each city has category, year and value. Now our data has been cleaned. Click on close and apply. So friends, now we are on Power BI desktop. On Power BI canvas, first we will create a line chart. We'll put here in the x-axis values on y-axis. Now you can see the line chart total sales per year. Next chart we are gonna make pie chart. We'll put city on legend, value on value. Now you can see the total sales city wise. So friends, we have learned to clean raw data in Power BI. You will get lot of scenario when you will connect the different data source like online data, Dynamics 365 Cloud, Oracle, etc, etc. So you will use different approach on each data set. Let's save and publish the report. When you're publishing the report on Power BI services, you will get the link. Now click on the link in order to open Power BI services. Apart from interacting with the report, you can export it as a PowerPoint presentation or PDF. So friends, this is the end of the video. Like, share. If you're new here, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon in order to get the future video notifications. The bye bye and Jai Hind.